Hey guys, it's me, William, and today, I have good news. I got my braces fixed now. See that? So today, this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a better Bruce Banner from Avengers Infinity War. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one, I used the Loki head from Thor Ragnarok. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Now he's trying to kind of turn into the Hulk. So yeah. Then I used this hair from Bruce Banner. I accidentally painted it gray, but then I just painted it black. Then I just drew the white lines because he has these white lines on here. So yeah. So then I used a torso from the Avengers Infinity War, and then used black pants, and then I did the right arm to transform to the Hulk, so Bruce Banner can transform to the Hulk. So it looks pretty cool. It looks very cool. So yeah. So yeah, it doesn't have any it doesn't. So I used the other face, so I'm just gonna keep that face for a while, and then maybe sorry guys, I just looked. So and then maybe I'll use it for next kind of thing. Yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. So on maybe Saturday, I'm gonna try to make the Catwoman from Spider-Man, but so it's gonna be really cool. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.